go back to the station I assigned you to. I have this.
I don't have a station, and I'm gonna snap.
Okay, don't get moody with me because you messed up, okay? That's not my fault.
I did not mess up. I wasn't told what to do.
You couldn't handle it. That's why I switched you, okay?
Guys, there's not, it's not time for this. It's not
We're all
time
good,
for this.
guys. We got nothing.
What do you want me to do? Okay, I'm just gonna stand here.
On the ice today, please welcome your very own MasterChef Canada judges. Chef Michael Bonaccini. Chef Claudio Aprile. And finally, it's Demon Chef Alvin Lung.
What was nice about seeing him on skates is it really puts you into the reality that he's a real person, you know? And skating is not one of his strong suits.
That was awesome.
Welcome, everyone, to the Air Canada Centre.
We brought you to the ACC for the very first team challenge.
As the top 14, today you have the honor of making lunch for the Toronto Maple Leafs.
This is a dream come true. I never, ever in a million years thought I'd be cooking for an NHL hockey team.
The Leafs are currently training at their practice arena, but come lunchtime, they're going to need a healthy, power-packed meal that will fuel them for tonight's big game.
In honor of the Leafs, you'll be divided into the blue team and the white team. Each team will make both a fish meal and a pasta meal.
I am the biggest hockey fan ever, especially the boys in blue, the Toronto Maple Leafs. I bleed blue big time.
But Danny's excitement is dampened by the flu.
Danny's looking like garbage. I thought he was literally gonna chuck it right onto the Maple Leaf sign.
Danny, we hear you're not feeling well today.
No, not at all. I must have caught a bug.
So in light of that, we've decided to bench you today. You'll be sitting out this team challenge.
Good luck, guys.
Thanks, feel better.
I was so pumped and excited to be here, and when he said we're benching you, my heart just dropped.
You have 90 minutes to prepare and 1 hour to serve. 2 stunning dishes.
For some of the greatest athletes in Canada.
Your time starts now!
Serious?
The home cooks race to the Air Canada Centre's executive kitchens to plan their menus.
We step in the professional kitchen of the ACC for the first time. I think for most of us, this is a pretty new environment to be cooking in.
Now, each team has to come up with 2 dishes that meet the Leafs' dietary requirements. A fish dish with 2 sides, and a pasta dish.
Okay, pick a fish. What's the best white fish?
Halibut.
Okay, so we'll pick halibut. And on the sides, I'm thinking like a sweet potato and like green beans.
I'm thinking in my head, we need a pasta that has a lot of protein in it.
We're gonna do pasta fagioli with the pancetta. Yeah. And then we're gonna cook the pasta inside the sauce. We're gonna have those big bowls. And that's gonna stay good inside of there. And it's hearty and healthy.
So that's gonna give the players nutrition and energy.
Where's those beans? Let's get this shit organized, kids.
The blue team gets their halibut, pasta, and side vegetables started. But the white team still can't agree on their menu.
Okay, so then we're doing trouts? Okay, because pickerel is way too bony. I already made that mistake before. I knew how bony pickerel was. I decided it would be a good idea to go with the trout. I want to keep it healthy, I want to keep it light, and I want to keep it moist for them. Elite athletes need very healthy food. Our menu is going to be fresh, simple, and beautifully plated.
For their first team challenge, the home cooks are at the Air Canada Centre making lunch for the Toronto Maple Leafs, the Leafs alumni, and their families. But Dale's choice of fish is being challenged by his team members.
So many bones.
By Chef Alvin.
Fish. Who chose the fish?
I chose the trout.
Get me a piece of pickerel. Get me a piece of pickerel here.
We're really struggling at this point. The fish is a lot bonier than we could have ever imagined. I made a mistake. This is fully deboned.
Look, it's fully deboned. It's a
Yes,
fillet.
chef.
So next time, check.
Yes, chef.
Always check. Okay, go.
Yes, chef.
With only 30 minutes to go before the home cooks serve lunch to the Leafs, it's too late to replace Dale's choice of fish, so the white team is stuck with deboning the trout.
Fuck, eh? Fuck. He should have checked the products. He should have used the pickerel because it was filet It was skin. He could have used it.
He's lost complete control of his kitchen right now.
Oh my God.
As the white team tries to get a handle on their fish,
Help them work on those potatoes. They gotta go in the oven.
Pino is running the blue team's kitchen like a well-oiled machine.
My fish is going in.
We are on top of the world. Everything is coming together. We just got a few things to take care of, follow through, check on. This is easy street now.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm watching it, Chef.
While things heat up in the white team's kitchen, the Leafs finish their morning training and head for the showers.
This is your 15-minute warning. 15 minutes to go before you have to serve lunch.
Fucking hell, man.
Hey, get those fish in the oven. Get them in the oven, all of them, all of them.
Wow. We need fucking, oh, God.
Be careful.
Our kitchen is chaos. Dale's not a very good leader. When you're catering an event like that, you got to work with your team. But Dale kind of just, like run around and like yell at people.
Please do not throw me under the bus. Come on, guys. We do not want to go home today.
Let's do this. Medic!
What'd you do? Go, go, go.
Next thing you know, Kayla split her finger down the middle and she disappears. This is really gonna hurt us in the kitchen.
It's not very hard to slice a tomato. This should be the simplest task in the kitchen.
I can't let my team down. I need to get back in there.
Meanwhile, the white team is still in the kitchen, struggling to load their food into their carriers.
You don't know how these things work. You keep it hot in one and cold in another.
There's no clear organization, and Dale's just screaming like a girl in the background, and nobody really knows what we're doing, so we're screwed. Who's plating what, guys?
I've already been over this. You should have been paying attention.
I was actually
whenever
getting
I
it
went over.
stick. I was getting it done.
Okay, that's not my fault.
Nope. When we get onto the floor, there's still a few hiccups happening.
But I don't have time to keep going over it, okay?
Because Kayla had cut herself in the kitchen, she doesn't know what to do. And Dale is being really mean to her.
No, the other way around. Quit changing stuff.
This way?
We want this together, okay? So they have a choice of which one to pick. Please go back to the station I assigned you to. I have this.
I don't have a station, and I'm gonna snap.
Okay, don't get moody with me because you messed up, okay? That's not my fault.
I did not mess up. I wasn't told what to do.
You couldn't handle it. That's why I switched you, okay?
Guys, there's not, it's not time for this. It's not
We're all
time
good,
for this.
guys. We got nothing.
What do you want me to do?
Like, really, guys, let's grow up. Like, we're adults. Let's just serve some food.
Okay, I'm just gonna stand here.
With only minutes to go before the Leafs arrive, the blue team's setup is also falling apart.
The fish is breaking.
Like, look at that plate. This looks like shit.
Bring it together, guys. Let's go.
You show us what you want.
Okay, it's breaking. Here,
Perfect.
put it on the side, right here, for your potatoes and your greens.
Yep.
Done. Okay? And drizzle some oil.
Okay.
It's breaking. Let's do
We'll
that.
follow your rule.
We know what we're doing, right?
With a blue and white dish in front of everyone, the challenge now boils down to a question of taste.
Put it this way, we never got this for a pre-game meal.
Now, how's the food?
It's good. Very good.
Which one do you like better?
I say blue's got it.
Anything that's got bacon in, I'm good to go.
The blue team cooked a good, what was it? Halibut. Halibut. So I'll go with the blue team.
I like the blue team food. I really like this pasta. I think it was good.
Might have been a little overcooked, but it was good. The blue team definitely was my favorite. Very well cooked.
I was saying white.
The white.
Normally I would have sweet potatoes before a game. I did like the blue team in that sense, but I thought the fish on the white was better. It was a little more seasoned.
Thank you, guys. Pleasure.
Well, actually, both passes are great. They're both awesome.
My white place is empty, eh?
That's the way we like to see the plates coming back.
The trout was unbelievable.
Much appreciated. Tell me, give me some commentary.
Early on, I was leaning towards the blue team, but in the end, Trout won me over. So I'm going white.
You're going white.
I'm going team white.
With lunch now over, it's time for the Leafs to cast their vote.
Here we go.
Each diner must drop the puck for either the white team or the blue team. And their decision will make sure one team faces a pressure test that will eliminate at least one home cook.
You just never know what a big group of people might think. I'm concerned. I can't lose this challenge.
The Maple Leafs have finished voting for their favorite dish. Either the blue team's poached halibut and pasta fagioli, or the white team's baked trout and herb penne. Now, the home cooks are back down on home ice while they await the final results.
The Leafs have to go back to training, but they've made their picks, and these young hockey fans are going to show you how they voted.
If it's a vote for the white team, the puck goes in the white net. If it's a vote for the blue team, the puck goes in the blue net.
51 people voted. The first team to get 26 votes is the winner. Players, are you ready? Yeah! Start shooting.
We're standing there in front of these little hockey guys, and it is torture if you don't know what net the puck's gonna go into.
Oh, right in the blue.
Switches it up last minute. Yeah, he does. Yeah!
That's one for the white. That's another one for the white team. That's one for the blue.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's another one for the white team.
We're nothing but smiles right now. I mean, things are feeling pretty good. I can't wait to see that other team deal with the pressure test tomorrow.
Give us white.
White, he's going white.
The blue sneaked another one in.
They were getting some when we were getting a little. Oh, the shot of the white fin again.
The white team is running away.
We're down 10-5. This is not how I expected things to happen.
Blue is pulling their goalie. That's how desperate they are. One for the blue.
All of a sudden, things take a turn. Kids start burying pucks in the blue net. I don't know what's going on.
The score's tied.
Come on.
Yeah! For the first time.
Yeah. Another one for the blue.
Yeah!
God, I can't take this.
Yeah!
Another puck, another puck, another puck. Pucks on pucks on pucks. God, those kids, man. They shouldn't play with people's emotions like that.
It's becoming a landslide.
We were just getting crushed.
Another one for the blue. One more vote. The blue team will win it.
Blue, blue, blue.
Yeah!
26-11. Blue have won it.
Team Blue's taking this puppy home. We earned it. We earned it.
Congratulations, blue team. You are the winners. Well done.
I am absolutely ecstatic. Just made a meal for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and I brought my team to victory. It's the greatest feeling ever.
I'm sorry, white team. You failed to score today.
You will now have to face a pressure test at the MasterChef Canada kitchen, where at least one of you will be going home.
None of us besides Dale deserve to go into this pressure test.
He did a bad job captaining the team.
I am not stupid, and I'm not gonna get thrown under the bus by anybody in this competition.